Si Ea na yun talaga kasi kahit puyat si Nadine habang
Okay
ginagawa, okay lang yan, Nadine, okay lang. May eye bags, makintab, wala nang retouch. Bawal lumapit ang makeup artist dati sa kanya. Yung prosthetics lang. Pero ngayon, iba na naman. So, nakaka-excite.
Okay. So when will you start filming?
Soon. Pagbalik ko, galing States. Yan, so gabakasyon ako.
Taray.
Paano yun? Paano yung mga ginagawa mo? Gabakasyon?
10 days lang naman po.
Okay. Kailan ka alis?
Next week.
Ay!
Yes. Yes. Although I'm attending a friend's wedding in New York. Yeah.
Direct, sabi niyo mas mature yung role nila rito. Hindi ba parang mas bata yung character, yung sila ngayon dun sa character nung dalawa?
No. Actually, mas bata pa yung character nila doon sa bago nilang gagawin ngayon.
Okay.
Mas may edad na sila ngayon as opposed to the real characters because they're like 16, 17 years old. They're way past behind. I mean, not naman that old, but mas matanda sila as opposed to the characters ng libro. Pero mas mature kasi yung mga problema, yung mga pinagdaanan nitong mga characters na gagawin nila.
Even the scenes, may mga kissing scenes, may mga ganun.
Ay, hintayin nyo!
Saan to direct? Kasi diary, very obvious. Book na yun, sikat talaga. Itong story na to.
Ito rin, actually mas maraming views to online as opposed to Diary ng Pangit. Yung Diary ng Pangit kasi kilig, ganon yun nga, coming of age. So, ito ay mas serious yung love story. Pero nakakakilig din.
You think this is the perfect timing? Kasi parang, don't you think it's too soon after Diary ng Pangit? May movie agad, hindi kaya...
Makumpara, parang ganon.
Diba?
Wala naman, ano yan hindi natin maiiwasan yung makukumpara. Hindi natin maiiwasan talaga yun.
Kahit next year pa sila.
Kahit kailan pa. But I believe that this is the perfect project for their follow-up. For James and Nadine, para talagang sabihin na natin na sila na ang magiging book king and queen ng gano'n. Yung libro na ginagawa. Diba? Kumbaga dati may comics, diba? Comic stars na, diba, ang diva ang gumagawa ng mga story from the comics. Ngayon naman, books naman, ginagawang pelikula yung libro, diba? So at least, nagkakaroon din ng interest with the young readers na hindi nahihilig magbasa ng libro, magbabasa ngayon sila ng libro because of this, di ba? Malaki rin yung responsibility natin doon. So, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to work with this project now, and of course, with these actors.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.